On last January 17, we as a disposal technology students went to industrial visit at Jeram Sanitary Landfill, which is also known as Worldwide Environment. This company focused on various green solution portfolio covering green to green solid waste management as well as renewable energy. Worldwide Holdings Berhad wholly owned a subsidiary of ATIQAH. With 25 years of experience in the solid waste management sector, Worldwide Holdings Berhad is one of the leading industry leaders in Malaysia. It offers wide range of expertise and capabilities, which include solid waste management, which is sanitary landfill and inert waste landfill, green to green landfill development, landfill gas management, transfer station, and leachate treatment plant. This company has received awards and recognition. First from the Malaysia Book of Records for first sanitary landfill in Malaysia to produce 2 MW gas power plant, second by SW Corp for solid waste management facility Star Award, and third by Green Building Index certification.
Next, process involved at Jeram Sanitary Landfill. After topsoil is removed, it is then lined with a synthetic plastic to prevent leakage from waste materials. This is called bottom liner. The wastes are dumped into the landfill and compressed using specialized machines properly. Pipes are inserted to drain off the liquid materials that ooze out from the waste. That is what we call as leachate. Methane gas produced by the decomposition of waste is collected into separate pipes to prevent explosions. So, the leachate produced will go to leachate treatment plant, LTP. Every day, there is 920 cubic meter of leachate produced at Jeram Sanitary Landfill. As we can see, in this process, the raw leachate turns into clear liquid during their final discharge. Very amazing, right? In order to produce such product, the leachate has to undergo 3 processes in LTP, which are: firstly, biological process, secondly, chemical and physical process, and lastly, polishing process. Here, the black color of leachate will turn to brown after biological process and yellow after the chemical process. Lastly, the final discharge of this process would be a clear solution. Methods involved during the biological process are using bacteria, sequencing batch reactor with aerated lagoon. Next, physical and chemical process. Here, porous matters will be removed to reduce the pH and change the color of the solution. The outcome of this process usually is sludge with a slightly yellow solution. Chemicals involved in this process are barium chloride as coagulant, sodium hydroxide as pH adjuster, polyacrylamide cationic as flocculant. Lastly, polishing process or known as filtration process. The solution from the previous process is filtered here using sand filter or activated carbon. The final outcome is a clear solution that can be discharged to the river nearby.
2 main outputs other than detailed process gained from the visit. First is existence of Shah Alam transfer station. So, what it is? It essentially functions as transit waste collection center en route to the landfill facilities, such as waste from Kuala Lumpur that is far from Jeram Sanitary Landfill, so it needs to transit at Shah Alam transfer station. Transfer stations make solid waste collection more efficient and reduce overall transportation costs, air emission, and truck traffic. Next is Worldwide Holdings Berhad, the leading environmental management service leader, is developing a 1 billion ringgit waste-to-energy WTE facility on a 6-hectare site in Sanitary Landfill Jeram, Selangor. It is first sanitary landfill in Malaysia to produce 2 MW energy from landfill gas. The project is expected to supply enough clean energy to power 25,000 households. The process of combustion will be adapted in this project to release the stored energy from the feed. Municipal solid waste will be used as a feedstock to power the project. I will never forget about that site visit because from that visit I can learn more and physically about how sanitary landfill actually works, and it's very interesting.
What I love the most about our site visit is because I can develop a better understanding regarding the process involved at sanitary landfill with what I already learned in class. So during my site visit at Jeram Sanitary Landfill, I can relate to all the process with what I already learned in class.
Okay, for me, the best part of this industrial visit is that I can experience myself how the leachate treatment is processed from the beginning of black leachate to the end of clear white leachate. Thank you.